Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing a little fix on the Mustang Foxbody here. We have a rattling hatch and supposedly it needs a new bushing, which I did check and it's completely missing the bushing. So we got the whole kit with a new striker bolt and bushing. So we're gonna go ahead and install that quick and see if it fixes the problem. Stick with us. All right guys, I thought I'd show you the actual issue there. You see how much play we have? And over bumps, that is very rattly, so hopefully that fixes the problem with this new bushing. Alright guys, so if you can see down in here, there is our striker bolt, and yes, there is no plastic bushing left on there. It is completely gone. So we are going to replace this whole guy right here with a new one. And I actually got the new one right here. Has the plastic bushing right there, so it should be a quick install here. And we'll have links to this part. It's about 30 bucks to my Amazon Associates store, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, I get a little kickback if you buy it from my link. But we'll get that swapped out here, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so all you need is a T45 socket, ratchet, a marker. We're going to actually mark where this striker plate is, so we get it back to the same spot, and then a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright guys, so I've seen some other videos where you have to take off a lot of this paneling and stuff to get to this. I'm going to take these two screws out, two Phillips heads, one here, pull this back just enough so we can get that loosened up and hopefully not have to take a whole bunch of stuff apart. Okay guys, so right here there's a plate, metal plate right here. I'm going to actually just mark this. So that's where we're going to line that plate back up when we're done. Okay, like I said guys, just pulling this back just enough to get this in here. And we'll be able to pop this out. Just like that guys. So we got the old one out and we'll pop the new one in. So then I'm lining up my striker plate here with that marker line. And we will tighten this thing down. Alright, we'll put our two screws back in here, and then we'll try it out, see if we need to adjust this at all. Alright, let's see how it closes with the first try here. For that, hardly any play now guys. Definitely not clanking like it used to, so let's try that again. We'll open her back up and see if we can get a good close on it. And we'll just give her a little more love here. Yeah. Well, I think that'll work, guys. Easy fix for the rattling hatch. So if you've got a hatch, check to see if you're missing your bushing. I wish they made these easy where you could just replace the bushing, but on the actual factory one, this washer does not come off easily. So if it did, then you could just replace that plastic bushing. Alright guys, so that was the quick couple minute replacement of that striker bolt and bushing. Easy thing to swap out if you got a rattling hatch. Like I said, I'll have links down in the description for the sockets, the ratchets, and the striker bolt with the bushing. So thanks for tuning in guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Mustang videos. Have a good one.